Welcome back, guys. Just getting home, feeling hungry. Besides, I don't want no fast food tonight, so I just gonna make what I can find in my fridge. So I find a red snapper, find a bit of veg over here. So I already started cutting up some carrot, and this is some butternut, squash, some garlic, green onion. Need to go shopping. This is all I have in my fridge tonight, so you're gonna do. Got one shallot onion right here. Nothing too fancy. Got some allspice berry right here too. Right here, as you could see, got some Jamaican Bammy right here. Got some bit of thyme leaf over, and this is some chili from my garden last season. This last year chili, I make chili flakes with it. So that's it, guys. Just cooking what I have today. So right now, we're going to toast the coconut milk in it. Allspice berry. Cover this. Let that come to a boil. Again, this is some quick and fast meal tonight, guys. Kinda late at this time. A bit of chili flakes in it. It's very spicy. A bit of all-purpose season too. Let's start do his thing. Let's go prepare the fish. Put a couple slices there. All I'm gonna use is some all-purpose season. So some garlic powder. Old Bay. Guys, that's about it. Nothing too fancy. Quick and fast. That's it right there. So guys, I got a little pack of cocked soup right here. Smell very nice though. So I didn't have no okra to put in it, but as I go at times. Now I'll put the fish in. Also, I'm not gonna waste no time either. So right here, there's the bammy. Go ahead and put them in the sides of it. No time to waste. Go ahead and put some avocado butter in it too. So guys, I said quick and fast meal. And if you think I'm joking, the reason why my fridge is empty, this fridge is less than, check it out, this fridge is less than 4-year-old. As you could see, this fridge is less than 4-year-old and stop working. Stop friggin' working. LG fridge is the worst fridge ever. Less than 4-year-old fridge stop working. So that's why there's no food in it. So I ordered a new fridge is coming Thursday. I'm gonna do a video about this fridge. The next video coming out is gonna be about this fridge. The worst fridge to purchase is a LG fridge. So I'm gonna tell you guys the full story behind this fridge. So guys, it's not the prettiest, but can guarantee you it tastes nice. Super delicious. So guys, gonna go ahead and finish eating my supper. Remember, if you're first time here, please consider to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I catch you guys on the next one. I'm out.